Actor Salman Khan on Wednesday went out for cycling. Salman took to Instagram to share a picture of himself. In the photo, Salman is seen wearing dark grey sweatshirt teamed up with grey shorts and shoes. The actor can be seen wearing Being Human mask. #Stay safe Salman captioned the post. On the work front, Salman Khan is all set to come up with the 14th season of the controversial reality TV show Bigg Boss. Reportedly, Bigg Boss 14 will start from September 27 on Colors TV. It has also been reported that the theme of the upcoming season is based on the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut continues with her vitriolic verbal attacks on colleagues in the film industry. On Thursday evening, she referred to Sonam Kapoor as a mafia bimbo for supporting arrested actress Rhea Chakravarti, who she referred to as a small-time druggie. All of a sudden, mafia bimbos have started to seek justice for Rhea ji through my house tragedy. My fight is for people. Don't compare my struggles to a small-time druggie who was living off a vulnerable and broken, self-made superstar. Stop this right away, tweeted Kangana from her verified account on Thursday evening. Kangana's tweet in the wake of a news piece that talks of Bollywood actress Sonam Kapoor reacting to the news of Kangana's office demolition by the BMC by calling it an eye for an eye. On Thursday morning, actress Diya Mirza tweeted, condemned the demolition of Kangana's office, condemned the harassment and abuse against Rhea. This is not about taking sides. This is about calling out what is unjust. Remember, this could happen to you. Reacting to the tweet, Sonam had shared Mahatma Gandhi's quote on Twitter, an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Athavale on Thursday met actress Kangana Ranaut in the wake of BMC demolition action at her office building in Bandra. Athavale was spotted at the actress' residence at around 6:30 p.m. on Thursday, just hours after she visited her office. He has been quite vocal in his support for the actress. On Wednesday, BMC partially demolished her Bandra office, citing illegal construction. The office was demolished while the actress was flying down from Chandigarh to Mumbai. The BMC demolition activity happened days after the actress engaged in a spat with Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut, who took offence when Kangana stated that the situation in Mumbai had become as bad as Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and compared the ruling Maharashtra government with Taliban. Several B-Town stars were snapped around town on Thursday. Actress Patra Lekha was snapped outside a dental clinic. The actress was seen wearing a brown top which she teamed up with skirt. Actor Arshad Varsi was snapped at Dharma office. Suzanne Khan was snapped at a salon. She was seen wearing a face shield along with a mask as safety precaution. Kangana Ranaut's sister Rangoli Chandel visited Kangana's partially demolished office. Rangoli was surrounded by police officials. The Bombay High Court on Wednesday stayed the demolition drive of Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut's illegal office barely a couple of hours after the BMC squad started bulldozing the premises. Model and actress Poonam Pandey has tied the knot with her fiancé Sam Bombay. Poonam took to Instagram to share the news. She captioned the post, "Here's looking forward to 7 lifetimes with you." In the photo, Poonam looked mesmerizing in a floral embroidered lehenga, while Sam looks dapper in sherwani. Poonam Pandey has always been in the news for her steamy photo ops and stormy comments in the media. A Mumbai special court on Friday rejected the bail applications of actress Rhea Chakravarti, her brother Shovik and 4 other accused in the drugs case filed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Advocate Satish Manshinde said all the 6 accused are likely to move to the Bombay High Court shortly for bail. Until further relief, Rhea, who was arrested on Tuesday and sent to the judicial custody till September 22, will remain in the Bakula jail.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.